From a law enforcement standpoint and the legal standpoint, can you serve the warrant to the legal counsel?
Well, ngayon lang ako nakarinig ng ganun. Unless yung abogado, siya yung aarestuhin at willing magpakulong, pwede yun. Pero no, because the warrant should be served personally. That is under the rules of court. Hindi ko alam kung saan nanggaling yung idea na ibigay mo sa abogado at siya magsiserve. Baka nagkaroon lang ng mix-up, no, na yung subpoena, yung summons sa warrant. Iba po yung warrant. The warrant of arrest under the rules of court should be received personally by the one being arrested. I said no kasi patagal na akong nag-law school, baka yung mga bagong lawyer may naturo sa kanilang bago, no? Pero to my knowledge, wala. May bagong lawyer. Wala naman, no, attorney, no? So, ganun pa rin. Kailangan personally, no?